Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos and today I'm going to answer what you should do when you have low quality in your delivery in your ads. So this is a message that appears in the delivery, and when you have your columns delivery you will see it says low quality with a yellow mark. We are going to go to my PC to show you one account that I have seen that it has low quality ads, to tell you what I think about them and what you should do in order to overcome this problem, and if I think that this is a serious notification from Facebook. Okay, so this is how it looks. It has this message over here and we can see that it says low quality. Okay, so when you edit it, it gives you this message. This ad contains a low quality attribute, so it will be shown to fewer people that would typically see it for its current budget. Performance may improve by reducing low quality attributes such as language that entices people to inauthentically engage with the ad or landing page to complete an action, liking the post, comment on it, sharing it with a friend in the ad text. Read our ad, we are going to read it in a little bit for more information on what our system considers low quality. Page ad accounts and domains that consistently promote low quality ads are more likely to be considered low quality in our system, and as a result all ads from those entities may be shown to fewer people that would typically see them for their budget. We know that Facebook is extremely capable of actually understanding the better quality from lower quality traffic. It knows because it knows the behavior of each one of us if we are clicking and buying and so on. So what it says here is that if you have these low quality ads for a long period of time, Facebook is going to start showing the ads to the bad quality traffic. And in my opinion, this is something that we should see, because it's the same thing that is happening when an ad account gets banned and they think that you're a threat, so they give you lesser quality. We can see that the results can be very bad. The same situation is happening if you miss a payment and then they give you to lesser quality traffic. The same thing is happening when you have a bad quality score for your Facebook page. So we know that when they talk about these kind of things, this is not an empty threat. They mean it, that they are going to send you the lower quality traffic, like it or not. This is how they operate. As they say, they need to protect their community from bad experiences. So this is what it's all about. Let's read a little bit from the best practices, what they are saying here. So they say about attributes of low quality ad content: withholding information. Ads that withhold information in order to entice someone to click a link to understand the full context or something. 50% of blogs right now. For example, they give an example over here. It says, "It's a miracle she didn't break anything." Amazing. So basically they don't like clickbait. For additional tips on removing this and other forms, see our publishing best practices. Also here we have, "You'll be shocked by how amazing his abs are after eating this superfood." I really like in this category when they put, for example, plane crashes and they say the sixth image is going to shock you, okay, because it's showing only 2 or 3 images at the start. Things like that. They think that this is misinformation. Then they have sensationalized language. Includes using exaggerated headlines or commanding a reaction from people to a degree that creates an unexpected experience when people cling to a landing page. For example, it says 7 mind-blowing uses of carrots. 7 uses of carrots that will have you rethink your diet. You must check this out. So, from what I see so far, 90 or 95% of the advertisements are like this. Okay, so I don't know how else we can write things. What should we say? Get this t-shirt, you will like it. I don't know. So I feel like they are, with this way, they are limiting a little bit the marketing that we can do and the language that the copywriters can write, but this is their job, okay? This is why we pay the copywriters. But I think that all this has to do with the copy, okay? It has nothing to do with the quality of the ads in terms of the creative. And then we have engagement bait, when an ad uses spammy content that urges people to engage with it in an authentic way to get more likes, comments and shares. So this is typically what we say, for example, when you have competitions. okay, and you have a giveaway, and you say like this comment, share with your friends and tag your friends in order to get inside the raffle for the prize. Okay, so these things are going to be considered low quality, and I know a lot of people that they are doing competitions or whatever. I'm totally against it, because the people that you're getting in the competitions, it doesn't mean that they're going to convert later with your products. So these are the things, attributes of low quality. Over here it says lack of substantive or original content, disappropriate volume of ads, relative dispropo volume of ads relative to content, pop-up ads, or it has so many difficult words to it, interstitial ads.
Dangers!
This includes any ads that disrupt the user experience. It doesn't include legally required disclosures or logins to private content like paywalls. Anyway, unexpected content and misleading experiences. So in other words, this is what this is all about. Are we going to have a problem? I think that most of the copies that I'm seeing around, they are for low quality. Most of them, okay? The copywriters, they have to actually adapt to this. I don't know if this is an old feature. To be honest with you, it's the first time that I see it. Let me see actually when this was written. Do we have any date here? No, we don't. Okay, cool. Typical Facebook. Keep in your mind that I consider this a real threat. It's not like if you don't use add to carts, you're going to get 0 purchases for the other messages that we're discussing about. This is an actual message that I think that it's valid. I think that we should look at, and whenever you see, try to readjust all of your copies so that you won't have this kind of issues. Now, result-wise, let's discuss about this. In this campaign, I haven't seen problems with my ROAS optimization and stuff, okay? But I believe that if this campaign continues, I'm going to have a problem. Am I going to close it? No, not yet. Have I informed my client about it? Yes. We decided not to close it. We decided that the results are still good. We have a Facebook page of 5 rating also, so this is not an issue. But we're going to be careful from now on with the way that we phrase things, and this is what we are going to do. But keep in your mind that it doesn't mean that if you see it, you have to close your campaign, because my campaign actually is working pretty fine right now. So guys, that's all I had about the low quality and how to overcome this problem. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or my course. And don't forget that until we meet again, you have to be creative and you have to be consistent.